Yes. You haven't taken the time. Angel, your timing is right there, 36. Below the page, right, 36. And you can
I thought
start.
you said
Okay, you have done?
I thought you said 34.
Oh, no, that's 34 then. It's okay. Right. Continue. Continue. Do
I'm
it properly,
done.
finger up, proper finger. Yes, Riyad. Have you done?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the time limit, beta?
I don't know.
You don't know? How come you're saying you don't know? Hold up. The timing was no timing given. Okay, right there, 15 minutes. Time taken 15 minutes. Time taken 15 minutes, yeah. Now, you can say the answers. 1 to 10, come on. Repeat.
610624371
Alright, yes. 11 to 20.
1 12 17 7 9 9 3 8 3 19.
Okay, see, here in no, some number 13 and 15 are wrong. 13, 15 are wrong. 18 and 20 is also wrong. 18 and 20 is also wrong. Now, in 20, there is a minus sign below the 9, no?
Yeah.
Okay, chalo. Do the wrong sums again. Come on. Do it properly, say and do. Say and do properly. Use index for upper, thumb for lower, right for ones, left for tens. Properly, and remember the big friend of 9, big friend is 1.
8 plus 1
So you got 7.
and 9.
At 10 less 1, you got 16. Less than is less than, add 1. So what is the answer?
7.
So extra 1. The 1 was extra in the tens. Understand, no? Your mistake?
Yeah.
Go to 15,
and
sir.
5 and 4. And 5 and 4. And 1.
At 10 less 9. What else?
Answer 1.
Yes, very good. Good.
And 6 and 3 and 3. Less 9.
Riyansh Thane, mute yourself. Riyansh Thane, mute yourself.
Answer 3. Answer 3.
Yes, you are right. Answer 3. Riyansh Thane, mute yourself.
And 4. And 4 and 9. Less 3 and 9. Answer 1.
No, it is less 9, beta. It's not add 9. Put a minus sign there. Less 9. It should be less 9.
Okay. And 4 and 9. Less 3. Answer 1.
Yes, you are right. Super. Give a high five. Yes, all done. Very good. Chalo. We'll do the speed writing with your right hand. Are you ready for that?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and start. Faster. Use both the hands, guys. Level 2 students, Angel and Riyansh Thane. Use both the hands. Do it properly. Say and do. Riyansh, do it faster. Speed writing.
Okay.
40 seconds done. 20 to go. Continue writing. Stop. Count the lines.
5 lines.
Okay, that's good, really good. Okay, we'll move on to the next page. You have to do the visuals, okay? You have to do the visuals in the homework, mark it as homework. We will move on to next page. Next page, less 8, less than add 2, write today's date, write the formula, and I'll explain you what to do. You first complete that. Hurry up, guys. Write the formula, write date. Okay, what is the formula? Less 8, less than add 2. Add 8 was add 10, less 2, and less 8 is less than add 2. Okay, we'll solve the first sum, Riyansh. Add
9. Add 3.
Directly.
Then add 7.
I can add 7 here directly, so add 10 and less 3. Then
and then less 8.
Is there 8 to less 8 directly in the ones? No. So what is the big friend? Less 10 and add 2. Understand? Less 10 add 2. So answer is
Yeah.
2. Understand? No? Very good. Write the time limit below the page. Write 4-3. Below the page. Write 4-3. Below the page. Write 4-3 and start. Riyad.
Sir,
Yes.
what do I write?
4-3. 43. Below the page. Write 43 and start.
Sir,
New
I'm
day
done.
start. Yes, Angel. What is the time?
I'm done. 34.
34. 43. 9 minutes. Time taken 9 minutes. Okay, I'm sharing the page.
9,
What is the page number?
11. And then
Riyaj, you can mute yourself. Riyaj, mute. Yeah, page number 11. Okay, say the answers 1 to 10.
167, 68, 109, 124, 139, 54, 181, 121, 92, 189.
189, no, it's wrong there. There's a minor mistake. It should be 184. You counted 5 extra there. Okay, circle that. There's a mistake there. 11 to 20.
The 189 one.
The 10th one, I said. No. Say the 11 to 20 now.
140, 75, 178, 171, 192, 144, 168, 132, 196, 98.
Okay, what is so see 18, 19 are wrong, 13, 16 are wrong, and 11 is wrong. Now one confirmation, tell me what is the 18 sum you got?
132.
132 or 4?
2.
Wrong. And 19 what you got?
196.
A minor mistake there. Okay, chalo, circle, do the corrections. But really good, huh? Really good. Do the corrections.
Okay.
Mute yourself and do the corrections. Go properly DBSM. Arya, Mariam, both Riyaj, Riyad, Thane, do it fast. Done, Thane. What are the time limit?
34.
You are 34. Okay, so write at 12 minutes.